Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check the version of your LangChain. Okay. So first up, go ahead and open up the command prompt. Okay. You can use the command prompt or the terminal if you want to. Okay. Now just go ahead and type in pip space show LangChain. Just like that. Hit on enter. Wait for the result to show right here. As you can see, we have the name, which is LangChain. The version is this one and some other details. Now, what if you have errors? Okay. Well, that means that LangChain is not properly installed in your computer. Now, to install properly, okay, just type in pip install LangChain, just like that, and hit on enter. If you're using Anaconda or Conda, okay, go ahead and type in Conda space install space LangChain -c space Conda -forge. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on enter and LangChain will be installed in your computer. Now, once LangChain is installed, you'll need to integrate it with various model providers, data stores, and APIs according to your requirements. For example, maybe you'd like to use OpenAI. Okay. You can install its SDK by typing pip space install OpenAI. Okay. Just hit on enter, and once that's done, you're good to go. If you want to check it again, type in pip show space LangChain, and you'll have your result. And that's how you check the version of LangChain. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.